What are the responsibilities of a line manager? In this short video, we'll explore the key responsibilities of a line manager. The goal of a manager is to motivate and direct a team to deliver on a shared goal. Typically, this will involve regular tasks, including delegating effectively, delivering feedback in a way which engages and motivates, managing day-to-day priorities, ensuring the effective and efficient use of each team member's time and talents, providing vision and direction to your team, continually managing the performance of team members, ensuring standards are achieved and employees continually develop and improve, responding appropriately to issues which evolve, require appropriate handling, and sometimes challenging conversations in order to resolve effectively. Let's look at each of these in turn. Delegating effectively. Effective managers know that delegation is a skill that improves productivity and the overall output of their team. In short, more is achieved when managers allow their team members to take on responsibility. Delegation is also key to motivating employees. Staff feel engaged, challenged, and begin to develop new skills as they step out of their comfort zone. The team becomes more effective, able to take on greater responsibility, and create space for the manager to complete tasks that only they can complete. Giving feedback. Regular and timely feedback is a constant requirement for line managers. Effective feedback shies away from personalities and shines a light on behaviors. By focusing on a specific task, offering feedback on what was done well and what could be done differently, constructive feedback motivates, improves output, and develops skills. Day-to-day management. Whilst managing a team needs long-term thinking, direction, and development, the day-to-day decisions you make will be equally important to your success. Regardless of how well you plan, the unexpected can occur, creating problems and difficulties for you and your team. Whether it is people or processes, it's important to problem solve fairly and professionally. Having difficult conversations. Managing staff can be challenging, particularly when needing to conduct difficult conversations with team members. A manager will need to deal with a variety of difficult situations, including conflict between colleagues, personal problems, and poor performance. Approaching such conversations requires a degree of emotional intelligence and confidence. A lack of confidence may tempt an inexperienced manager to ignore a problem, hoping it will go away. However, unresolved problems typically escalate, and so it's important for new managers to face these challenges head-on and build their confidence as they learn. Vision and direction. One of the key factors for success will be your ability to sell a clear vision and direction that will motivate your team. To achieve this, you'll need to engage them with a picture of what success looks like, how it will feel, and how they'll get there. Once they know where they're going, you'll identify specific steps your team will take, ensuring each team member understands how they will contribute to achieving the vision. Performance management. If a team is to achieve its goals, individuals will need to be regularly managed and appraised. As a minimum, each team member needs to meet an agreed standard of completing their tasks on time and to the required quality. The range of performance management can stretch from giving informal feedback to formal appraisals when performance is assessed against objectives, possibly with feedback from colleagues. Managing people can be rewarding, exciting, and challenging. Effective management can increase productivity, reduce staff turnover, and nurture a culture of success. But in order to do so, a manager will need to master these key responsibilities.